What are the problems of packaging cassava-derived product? Moisture, contamination, insect infestation, poor packaging integrity, physical contaminant, color changes, microbial growth. Good day, my name is Dela Unibo and I'm your expert doctor. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be moving on in discussing again how to export different products from Nigeria. The last episode was on beauty products or cosmetics. In today's episode, I'll be talking about cassava product or cassava derivative or value-added cassava product. Now, let me explain. By cassava product, I mean cassava starch, I mean cassava flour, I mean cassava flakes, I mean tapioca. Cassava flour, a white, odorless, tasteless powder extracted from starchy inner part of cassava and is made through the process of washing, grating, sieving, drying the cassava pulp. It's used as thickener in soup, sauces, and dessert. It's highly absorbent, bind liquid well, and provide neutral flavor and texture. Cassava starch. How about cassava flour? A fine pale yellow powder made from all cassava root, including skin and fibrous parts. How is it made? Peel and dry cassava is grinded into powder. This is used in making bread, thickener also in soup, and substitute for wheat flour. The property involve providing dietary fiber and nutrients and slightly gritty texture. Cassava flakes. This is where you have the Garri. Dry and flake cassava peas in various sizes and texture. The cassava root is peeled, sliced, dried, either sun-dried or mechanically dehydrated rather. Ingredient in soup, stew, porridge, snack, season, and the base for Garri in West Africa. Crispy texture, nutty flour, and absorb liquid and flavor well. Tapioca, a broad term used interchangeably with cassava starch, though technically it refers to a specific type of granular cassava derived from cassava. Granular starch derived from cassava. A granular starch derived from cassava. Similar process as cassava starch, but the starch granules are further processed to create a specific texture and sizes. It's a thickening agent in pudding, sauces, and instant food. Ingredient in bubble tea and tapioca pearl. Highly versatile, provide clear gel formation, and readily absorb liquid and flavor. What is the market size for different cassava products in the world? The demand size is about $3 billion. The demand size is about $3 billion. The largest demand is US, 22.9%, $826 million in demand in the US. Japan, the next, 10.8%, $388 million, followed by Germany, $346 million, 9.6%, followed by United Kingdom, $207 million, Netherlands, 3.1%, France, 5.9%. So where is the market you should be targeting if you are thinking of exporting cassava varieties, derivative, and products? United States, Japan, South Korea, Germany, United Kingdom, Belgium, Netherlands, France, and Spain. Netherlands, France, and Spain. Now, the challenge of packaging. The challenge of packaging. Packaging is very, very, very important for this product. Let's look at cassava flour, for example. You have to use a multi-layered moisture-resistant bag or sack made of materials such as polypropylene, ensure airtight sealing to prevent moisture absorption. Clearly label the product formation, including the batch number, production date, and storage instruction. Package in standard weight suitable for international trade. How about flour? Opt for a high-quality food-grade packaging material with barrier property to prevent moisture. Employ vacuum sealing and airtight packaging to maintain freshness. Labeling includes nutritional information, origin story recommendation on the packaging and the size. Package in various sizes to cater to different market preference. Cassava flakes. Packaging material uses moisture-resistant, flexible packaging with a resealable option to preserve freshness. Sealing. Implement e-sealing technology for optimal product protection. Labeling. Include product name, net weight, nutritional content, and allergy information. Cassava flakes. The size. Offer different pack size suitable for retail and bulk consumer. How about tapioca? Choose packaging that protects against moisture, sunlight, physical damage. Utilize secure sealing methods such as heat sealing or Ziploc closure. Labeling. Clearly indicate product type, origin, production date, and usage instruction. Size. Provide packaging option catering to diverse consumer needs. General tip for packaging cassava derived product. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measure. Traceability. Ensure a traceable system to track origin of cassava and ensure compliant regulatory requirements. Packing integrity. Regularly inspect packing material for defect. Ensure integrity through the supply chain. Shelf life. Clearly specify product shelf life and storage. Compliance and adhere to international packaging regulation. Now, let's check something out. What are the problems of packaging cassava-derived products? Moisture, contamination, insect infestation, poor packaging integrity, physical contaminant, color changes, microbial growth, poor texture, in some cases, rancidity. In some cases, rancidity. In some cases, rancidity. For moisture, excessive moisture can lead to clumping, mold growth, spoilage in cassava flour or cassava flake or cassava starch or even tapioca product. Spoilage in all of them. Implement a thorough drying process, ensure moisture-resistant packing, and conduct regular quality checks. Has this particular video been of immense benefit to you? Give it a thumbs up. Do you have a friend that is exporting or interested in exporting a cassava-based product? Share with your friends. If you have further questions for me, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. Now, you want to join our community? In the next video, so you know when we upload the next video. In the next video, we'll be looking at dry fruit. You want to join our community? Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.